Today I'm going to squirt the one Hettie's going to scrub. Let's do it. We're going to get all of this. Time for scrubbing there.
Is that fun, Florence?
So when I water a bit, Hettie scrubs it.
What about Hettie? Hettie, would you like to go? Go on then, press, release the trigger then, Florence. Right, let Hettie have a go. Right, be careful. Remember to point it at the wall before you press the trigger. Go on and go. Go on, keep going. No, you've got to aim it at the wall, yeah? No, don't get Florence wet, baby. Right, you gonna have a go, Florence? Right, we got to try and get all the black stuff off of the wall because we want to paint the wall. So you need to get in close, yeah? Okay, right, I think everybody's seen what you're doing today, so right, I want you to say goodbye to it.
Everybody!
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.